Are you also thinking what I'm thinking? Changing WhatsApp's color from boring green to vibrant pink will be so cool, right? No, it's a new virus which is doing rounds, and if you click on that link, the hackers will have complete access to your phone. Yes, all your important information will be in the hands of hackers. So how does this WhatsApp pink virus work? Or what you should be doing when you receive such a suspicious message? Well, I will tell you everything in this video, so just stay tuned. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain, and before I start the video, why don't you just hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time we upload new content. Let's get started. See, most of us have been using WhatsApp for close to a decade now. So staring at the same colors or maybe user interface can be boring. It totally makes sense why would you want to try out a new color. But this is exactly what hackers are using to their advantage. So the link that you may have or might receive to change the WhatsApp's color is actually a scam. Once you click on that message, the hackers gain full access to your phone and its data. This gives them access to all the important information that can be there in your phone. For example, your messages, your contacts, your location history, maybe passwords and other important details. This new threat link is being shared under the name WhatsApp Pink. Several WhatsApp users have reported receiving such a link on their phones, while many have forwarded it without knowing its real purpose. Now the question is, how do you keep safe? Well, there are few things that you really need to do. You have to uninstall WhatsApp Pink immediately. You have to unlink WhatsApp web devices. Then you have to clear browser cache from the settings. You also need to check permissions given to all the apps. If you find any suspicious permission to any app, just revoke it. So let me be loud and clear. WhatsApp Pink or Pink WhatsApp is not any official update or official link given by the app. It has only been created to dupe the audience into installing malicious link. Beware of such targeted attacks. Do not click on any unverified or suspicious link. We care about your safety, you should too. If you find this video informative, then hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and tell them what they shouldn't be doing with all the forwarded messages on the WhatsApp. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then do it. Go ahead and subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel. Also, if you like these videos, if you want more of them, just let us know in the comment box and we will bring them for you.